Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm here to explain about how to create purchase orders or request for quotations in purchase module Odoo 14. So let's directly go to purchase module where we can find in our dashboard. Here we have a list view with all the requests for quotations or purchase order created before with some details like reference, vendor, company, purchase representative, order deadline, next activity, source document, total amount, then status of our orders. Status can be purchase order or request for quotation. And so these next activity and this Avada user widget. So these are all new features in Odoo 14. Like we can plan next activity for our orders. Then we can make conversation with purchase representative. And we have a priority widget in order to prioritize our purchase orders according to we can prioritize according to priority. So that will be moved to the top of the list. So you can find them easily and convert to purchase orders. Like we can find out our quotations and convert them urgent quotations to purchase orders. And we have a dashboard for our purchase. And we have different views here. So by clicking create button, we can create a new request for quotation. Like by giving vendor name, then GST treatment, then vendor reference. You can add a vendor reference here. So reference of the sale order can be added here. Then order deadline. You can set a deadline like if debits date where the quotation need to be converted to, when the quotation need to be converted to purchase order. So this is a date time format. Then this is a receipt confirmation. So this is delivery confirmation or receipt confirmation, which is a new feature added in Odoo 14. So here this date is used to determine the expected arrival of products. Delivery date promised by the user. So you can add the receipt date. Then here, so this one I told you that is a new feature that we can automatically send a confirmation email to vendor some days before the expected receipt date. So we can ask him to confirm the exact date. So like this we can add some days before, and you can see the percentage on time delivery here. Then we can add the product here for which the request for quotation is created with a description, quantity, unit of measure, unit price, taxes, subtotal. Then under other information we can see the purchase representative and we can change the purchase representative. Then journal to which the bills need to be posted. Then the company, Incoterm, then payment terms when payment need to be done. Then fiscal position for account or tax mapping. After that, if you wish to prioritize a request for quotation, then you can also prioritize it. Then now we can see the status of this request for quotation is RFQ. And if you send, like by clicking send by email, you can send email to Assure Interior. Like this is our vendor, Assure Interior is our vendor. So you can send this quotation as mail. So you can see by default our vendor is added as recipient. You can add more recipients. Then subject, then content you can see, then the file, that is request for quotation file is attached. Then you can also see the template. Then after that you can send email. So RFQ sent by email, and you can see the status as RFQ sent. Then if you come back, you can see for our purchase, that is, so it is added to the higher priority as we have marked it as urgent. It is added to the priority list, and we can see the status as RFQ sent. And you can see order deadline is today because the deadline we have added inside the form is for today. Okay, now let's confirm the order. After confirming, you can see it is status changed to purchase order. So you can see purchase order. And from here we can receive products. So also you can send again purchase order by email, and we can confirm receive date from here. You can also log it. Okay, I'm receiving the products. So when you click that, you can see an option to validate our product with some details like received from which person, that is vendor, operation type, schedule date, deadline, source document, then additional information like shipping information, other information and notes. So you can see the state is ready. So it is ready for receiving. So you can receive the products. After receiving, when you come back to a purchase order or request for quotation, as it is purchase order, we have converted. So you can create bill for this order. So when you click create bill, after creating bill, you can confirm the request for quotation. And after that, you can make the payment with journal, receipt, bank account, amount, payment date and memo. So you can see the journal items and the information, account information. And we can also add credit note. So this is how we create a request for quotation or purchase orders in Purchase module Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.